AI. As it stands now, AI is a hugely hot button issue. Everybody is talking about AI. I think even my friend BusyWorks Beats has an AI video. But these automation channels that supposedly generate $300 a day, is that actually realistic? Can you just automatically generate videos that are made with AI that generate you a stupid amount of money? I highly doubt it. This video is specifically about automation channels. So, like a lot of you, I watch things outside of the music niche. When the Titan imploded, I was really absorbed in that whole story because I'm obsessed with deep sea travel and things like that. I started to notice that a lot of the videos that I was coming across, they were weird. They were off. It was stock images, most of the time not even of the Titan. And it was this voiceover. Some of the facts weren't right. It was just bizarre. I knew that there was something off with these videos, but I didn't put it together in my mind that it was AI-generated channels. When I started to look deeper into the whole automation channel thing, I noticed a lot of different creators were saying that you could generate $300 a day off of this automation channel. And I was thinking to myself, how doable would this actually be? How long until this actually makes it into our niche where there's all of these beat maker or music producer automation channels? I think it's only a matter of time before somebody tries it. So I wanted to try it. I found this software. It's called InVideo AI. You put your script in if you want. It'll write the script for you if that's what you want to do. But I actually wrote the script out because I was curious, like, what kind of video are we going to get here? And at the end of this video, I'll play that one. I don't see how this could work long term. I definitely don't think that it would ever make you $300 a day. I think by the time that people start to talk about these money-making schemes, the scheme is done. That's why now they're selling courses on it. I put this up in my post maybe a week or two ago. Scott Schaefer. If you don't know who Scott Schaefer is, he's like a smaller version of CoffeeZilla, like way smaller than CoffeeZilla, but he's still really, really good. And Scott Schaefer pretty much became YouTube famous for exposing established titles. Scott Schaefer ended up doing a video on automation channels where he even exposed vidIQ for pushing this nonsense along.
Some of the scummiest people on YouTube are automation gurus. An individual I made a video on over a year ago named Ryan Hildreth is a YouTube automation course guru who back in 2017 was one of the biggest promoters of a cryptocurrency scam known as BitConnect. Once that scam collapsed, it ruined his image for years, but he eventually rebranded himself as a YouTube automation expert, and people seem to have forgotten his past promotion of one of crypto's biggest scams. Sadly, in the past year, it seems these automation gurus have gone mainstream and have recently been getting a lot of promotion on trusted channels like Think Media and vidIQ.
The reason that I wanted to bring up the AI when it comes to music producers is a big part of the reason that we watch each other's channels is because we want to see each other and we want that human-to-human connection. And AI seems to take all of that out of the equation. And with that said, here's the AI-generated video.
Music producers in 2024 will face numerous online challenges. One major issue is purchasing expensive courses that lack tailored content. A pet peeve of mine is a music selling course devoid of individualistic style. It's both costly and pre-recorded, targeting the masses. These courses often fail to propel your career forward. Instead, focus on genuine networking, not begging people to listen to your music. Learn how to improve your beats, mixes, and overall sound. Start a YouTube channel featuring your face and personality, and above all, practice your craft extensively. Another significant problem producers will encounter is an overdependence on AI. In 2024, with AI doing more than ever, online music producers risk relying heavily on it, potentially diluting their individual style and creativity. It's crucial to be yourself, create your music, melodies, and videos, write your scripts, and avoid the pitfalls of brand creation through machine learning. Using AI as a tool to enhance your workflow is fine, but it should not replace your creative process. Finally, prominent producers in 2024 may struggle with diminishing relevance on YouTube. As they lose ground, it will open the door for smaller producers to take their place. With this opportunity, we should innovate, create original content, ease up on marketing, and rekindle appreciation for the music itself. In this evolving landscape, adaptability and authenticity will be key to sustained success in the end.
What did you guys think about that? Because that wouldn't be watchable for me personally. It's lacking a lot of soul. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.